Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be replicating this bullet fall animation in this new Migos video. Need it. So, yeah, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is hit A and then X to delete everything. And then we're going to need our bullet. Now, you can model this bullet yourself, but chances are you're pretty lazy. So you can just download it off of TurboSquid. There are a bunch of free ones, link in the description. So once you have that downloaded, go to File, Append, then go find your bullet blend file, double click it, Objects, then we just need the cylinder, Append. Awesome. Now we're going to add a camera, so Shift A, add a camera, then go to the camera view, and then we're just going to adjust the transformation settings so it's facing the bullet. Also, rename the cylinder to bullet. Now hit S and then rescale it. Then hit Ctrl A and apply scale. Now go to the material settings and now we're going to change the color. So hit Use Nodes, go to the render preview, then change the base color to a more gold color. We're also going to make it metallic and decrease the roughness. Rename the material to bullet head. Then we're going to do the same thing with the other one. Rename it to bullet body. Select your bullet and then hit Shift D and then just keep duplicating them. Hit R and X to rotate. Then hit B and select all your bullets. Then hit M and make a new collection. Call it Bullet Collection. Cool. Now hit G and X and then move it out of the way. Now hit Shift A and add a plane. Then S and then 8. Then go to the emitter settings and hit the plus icon. Change it to hair. Change the render as to collection. Then go to instant collection and select your bullet collection. Now you have a bunch of bullets here. Checkmark object rotation so it matches the rotation of your collection. And increase the scale randomness and the scale. Go back to the camera view and move your plane forward by hitting G and Y. You can also go to the emission number and change the amount of bullets in your scene. You can also mess with the seed amount. Then go to constraints and select rigid body. Then select your plane and Shift D to duplicate it. Then G and Z to move it up. Then go back to the emitter settings. Hit that 2 there. Then change it to emitter. Now if you hit spacebar, they'll start falling. But they're bouncing, which is not what we want. And to fix that, we're going to have to go back to the original plane. Go to the Constraints tab and make damping 1. Now make sure your end frame matches your end scene frame. For me, it's 120. So they last throughout the entire scene. Now if you don't want the falling bullets to sink into the plane, just select the emitter plane, then go to deflection and checkmark size deflect. Now we're going to add the lights. So Shift A and add an area light. And then just drag it to the right. Adjust the size, make the power 1000, change the color, then Shift D and duplicate it, and do the same thing. Now click your plane, Shift D, duplicate it, and then G and Y to move it further back. Then hit S and X to make it wider. Once you're happy with it, select your falling bullets, go to the emitter settings, go to cache, and you want to hit bake. But make sure the frame rate matches your scene frame rate. If it doesn't, just hit spacebar and let the whole scene run. And then you can see it's at 120 frames. Then you can hit bake. Make sure your render engine is Eevee. Checkmark ambient occlusion, bloom, screen space reflection, and motion blur. If you want the exact settings that I use for my final render, you can just copy it right here. Then finally, just make the file format FFmpeg, make the encoding MP4, and then just hit render animation. And that pretty much wraps up this tutorial. Hopefully you guys found it helpful. If you have any concerns or questions, please comment down below what your question is and I'll get back to you. And if you found this video helpful, then please give this video a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.